Are you wondering which is better, YubiKey or an Authenticator app? Let's dive in and find out. In this video, we will compare YubiKey and Authenticator apps. Both are tools used for two-factor authentication. They help keep your account safe by adding an extra layer of security. First, let's talk about YubiKey. This is a physical device that you plug into your computer or use with your phone. It generates a unique code when you touch it. It's very secure and works with many websites. Plus, it's easy to use. Just plug it in or tap it and you're in. Now, let's look at Authenticator apps. These are software applications you install on your smartphone. They generate time based codes for logging in. Apps like Google Authenticator or Authy are popular choices. They are convenient since you always have your phone with you. So, what are the main differences? The YubiKey is a hardware device, while Authenticator apps are software. This means the YubiKey can't be hacked through software attacks. On the other hand, Authenticator apps can be more convenient since they don't require carrying an extra device. When it comes to features, YubiKey offers strong security and supports multiple protocols. Authenticator apps are versatile and easy to set up, but they rely on your phone's security. In terms of pricing, YubiKeys usually cost more upfront as you're buying a physical device. Authenticator apps are generally free, but you might pay if you want advanced features. So, who should choose what? If you want maximum security and don't mind spending a bit more, go for YubiKey. If you prefer convenience and a budget friendly option, an Authenticator app is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more comparisons.